Manta rays are captivating giants of the ocean, often resembling underwater birds with their wide, graceful wingspans. These gentle filter feeders use their cephalic fins to funnel plankton and small prey into their mouths, making them an essential part of marine ecosystems. What makes manta rays truly fascinating is their inquisitive nature and remarkable interactions with divers and snorkelers. They often approach humans with curiosity, creating magical underwater moments. These encounters have led to research on their intelligence and unique spot patterns, akin to fingerprints used for identification. Protecting these gentle giants is vital as they face threats from pollution, habitat loss, and overfishing.